Hey guys, what's going on? It's 28 Godzilla here again, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys an item that I got for Christmas from my girlfriend. Here we go. It's the Godzilla Humidifier. This thing is incredible. I've already tried it out. It works great. I don't even have words to describe how awesome this thing is. So, here's the box. It says, I guess it says humidifier, and it says Godzilla, and it says Godzilla Humidifier. Here's some Japanese literature. Here's the item itself with the beam. And here's a nice artwork drawing of Godzilla. Here's the side, another chibi picture of Godzilla. And it's just a bunch of Japanese. I really can't read it, so I don't know what it says. Here's the back, details and whatnot. Here's another picture. Here's what it looks like from the back. And same. Oh, okay. Here's the front view of what the thing looks like. And here's some more literature. And here's the top of the box. You turn it off and on by pushing the spikes, and I guess it plays the Godzilla theme and sounds. And out comes the humidified water, and it comes out as almost like smoke or like vapor. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Ta-da! Pretty cool, right? This is the actual Godzilla Humidifier, and here he is in all his glory. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go turn the lights off real quick so we get a better shot of this guy. Okay, one light off. Let's see him in action. You go back here by the spikes, hold it down, and watch this. Does the original Godzilla theme. And then you hold it down again, and it turns off. And it does the other theme. It's kind of a long, like, turn-off theme, but hey, we get to hear a Godzilla theme. And of course it does the roar. Let's turn them on for real. There we go. It's really cool how they also included the atomic breath sound effect. So that's what it sounds like when he fires that blue beam out of his mouth. And look at how cool that looks. Wow. This is possibly the best Christmas gift I've gotten from someone outside of my family. Sometimes I actually sleep with this thing on. I could put like oil or like essential oils in it if I really wanted to, and just huff that in. So, this is the Godzilla Humidifier. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.